Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous all Henry Ford steel Model A coupe, just built over the top. I got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Jeff?
Good.
Man, what a gorgeous car.
So I started with a Model A sedan shell.
Okay.
Had a Pete and Jake's frame made for a 30.
Okay.
Put in a 1951 Ford Flathead with a March system. Got a C4 transmission with a Ford 9-inch. We have
There's that coil overs poking
Coil
out
Overs.
under
That's
there.
all from Pete and Jake's.
Okay.
So I did a French in gas tank cap.
Man, that looks great.
Gas tank's behind the seat.
How many gallons?
I think it's like 16.
Love the
Tires are-
Steelys with the, you know, just the plain steel.
Yeah.
Sometimes you do too much, it doesn't look right.
They're Coker rims and Coker radial tires.
Okay.
Custom exhaust.
What kind of trans? C4?
C4. Grill shell is a 32, all metal.
Man, that looks killer. It's got such a great stance, you know.
Disc brakes in the front, drums in the back.
I like the March system you did.
Yeah.
Got air conditioning, huh?
No, I just have, it came with the system, I never hooked up the air conditioner.
Oh, okay. So it can be hooked up, but it's just got the
100%.
compressor. And you would need all the lines and everything. Love the Offenhauser Heads. Killer. Electric fan.
Yep.
Is that a Holly 650?
390.
Holly 390, huh?
You need it for the...
The 650 is just too big. Right? I like the steering junction box you did there too. That's pretty cool.
I had that custom made.
Sanderson Headers?
Yes.
Man, tell me about this interior.
The guy who does this doesn't do cars, he only does Leer jets.
Get out of here, really?
Yes. He did it a favor with me. They're Corvette leather seats.
Beautiful. Love the color too.
The dashboard was a 1950 Shoebox dashboard. It was 62 inches originally. We cut and seamed and made
Put it
fit
together.
42 inches.
Then yeah, it looks like you hydro dipped it.
Yes, it did. With wood burl.
Very cool. 235 miles on the build. That's it, huh?
That's it.
Man, so pretty. I like the stereo you did.
It's Bluetooth.
So you just play it right from your phone like Pandora?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Very cool.
Clock works.
I love the loop rug too. Very nice. Looks great with the piping.
Yeah.
It's fired up.
Yep. You don't have to get a gas.
Motor's completely rebuilt, I guess?
100%.
Yeah?
Yeah. Probably have 12, 13,000 into that in the motor alone.
Wow.
That's about the March system.
You know, that flathead with the March really gives it a really nice retro mondo.
Yeah.
And the great motors too, runs like a sewing machine. Got a nice sound to it. Coil Overs are fully adjustable, right? Height-wise? Very cool. And that's a 4-link under there too?
Yeah.
9-inch rear. Nice beefy drums. Discs up front. Man, you just don't see them in steel anymore. Beautiful. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. And Jeff, thank you so much for showing us your car. It's beautiful. Any questions at all, give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.